What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Waltonchain WTC, which has taken a major drop in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, it has dropped nearly 60% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 7 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is now the right time to buy the dip before it pumps up higher? That's what we're going to be looking at in today's video, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024, what can we expect from WTC? Is it going to pump back up to 15-20 cents, or is it going to keep crashing? And we're going to be looking at why is it crashing so hard right now. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Waltonchain, which is here in purple at 15 cents. However, it is trading at a much lower value here in green at just over 7 cents, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are going to be looking at its short-term prediction. Then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart, look at its long-term prediction. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from WTC over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, WTC should essentially have pumped up over 8 cents in target is what I'm expecting. Again, 8 cents is not major compared to where it is at the moment. Is a very minimal increase in value. Only reason I say 8 cents is because I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit lower than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to gain value above 8 cents, potentially just about hitting 9 cents by midday tomorrow. So do expect red candles followed by green candles over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from WTC over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to pump back up to around just over 10 cents by the end of this week and early next week as well, potentially even hitting about 11 to 12 cents as well. It is going to be quite volatile. More red days are likely to come over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to gain value again by mid to end of this week and early next week as well, heading over the 10 cents target. But one of the main reasons why it's dropped in value is because Binance have announced that they will be delisting WTC in the next about 10 days, I think. This and a few other cryptocurrencies, and that's why it's taken quite a hit. And it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. Sorry, not a gainer, top loser in the last 24 hours, as you guys can see here, dropping 56%. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people who did invest into the crypto are probably on a major loss at the moment. But if I was on a loss, I wouldn't sell it right now. I'll hold on to it. Again, depends on how much loss I'm in, how much I've invested and so on. These have a major impact on it, but I would hold on to it for the long term, unless you guys have any other plans on, taking out your money and then investing into different crypto and so on and so on. But yeah, let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, again, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards a bearish direction, looking very negative, meaning this is not realistic. again is looking way too steep. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, let's say by mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting it to have pumped back up to over 15 cents, back to where it was trading before, unless there's more bad news on Waltonchain over the coming days or weeks that can have a potential negative impact on it. At the moment, I'm expecting it to pump back up in value to about 15 cents over the next 2 months. But if there are any major updates to this, for example, if it can crash further or pump back up to 20-25 cents, either positive or negative, I will make sure to let you guys know as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, this is the lowest that it has ever been, guys. This taken a major drop, and yeah, it is at its lowest point, but as I mentioned, I am expecting it to pump back up in value over the coming weeks. Now, let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 500% in the last 24 hours, making it $22 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Yes, it's taken a major drop. We've seen a lot of people buying the crypto, buying the dip, and a lot of people selling it as well. So that's why it's getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers' point of view, meaning there are people buying the dip. So would I recommend buying it right now? Personally, when I see a crypto taking a hit like this, especially in a space of about a couple of hours, I would stay away from it, because yes, it's crashed, it is likely to gain back up, but then you never know, it's likely to crash again if something else comes up. So yeah, personally I would stay away from it because I'm into crypto for the long-term trading. But if any of you guys are here for the short term, then it's a completely different story. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do, because it's about, you can buy and literally sell in the next hour or two, or in the next day or two, or week or two, or whatever it is, because short-term trading is literally just spontaneous. You know, you make decisions so fast, but it is a risky move as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Waltonchain. Let me know in the comment section down below your takes and your prediction on this crypto. Are you guys expecting this crypto to recover, or are you guys expecting it to keep crashing? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.